Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn that how to resolve if you are facing D3DX9 underscore 41.dll error on Windows 11 computer. So mostly this is caused due to different reasons. For instance, a faulty application and the specific DLL has been replaced, deleted, or you can say corrupted by malicious software present on your PC or a damaged Windows registry. So I will be explaining two methods to resolve this error in this video. So coming toward the first method, it will be downloading this specific DLL file and installing it on your PC. So let's go ahead. The first step is that you have to open up the browser and type d3dx9 underscore 41.dll download and hit enter. And selecting the top result, click on it. Once this site is open, you have to scroll down. Here you will see two files. One is 32-bit and the other one is 64-bit. So if you are having a 32-bit operating system, which is rare nowadays, you just need to download the 32-bit file, this one. And if you are having 64-bit operating system, then you need to download both of these files, 32-bit and 64-bit operating system. So let's go ahead. We're gonna download first the 32-bit file. Click on it, close it. So wait for it while it's being downloaded. Okay, we will save it on desktop. We will name it as 32-bit. Okay. Go back. Now we will download the 64-bit file. Click on download. We will again save it on desktop and we will name it as 64-bit. We are naming it because both of the files are having the same name, so we may not misunderstood when we are keeping them in their specific folders. Okay, done, save. So we can check, yes, this is 32-bit and this one is 64-bit. So after that, you need to open up this PC and go to local disk C where your operating system is stored and go to Windows folder. Open the 32-bit file and make sure guys you place them in their specific folders. So first of all, if you have a 32-bit file, then you need to locate the folder syswow. This one, syswow64, open it and you just copy this 32-bit file and place it in this folder. Continue, click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So that's copied. Minimize it. Now go back to 64-bit file. So there's 64-bit file. Again copy it and go back to that Windows folder. And you have to copy the 64-bit file in the system32 folder. Here it is. Open this folder and just paste it. Continue. Click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So both of these files have been copied. After this, your PC needs a fresh restart and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So coming towards the second method, if still after performing the first method, this error is present on your PC, you can try out the second method. That is, you again open up the browser and type DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. This is the Microsoft package which contains this specific DLL file, and click the top result. Once this Microsoft site is open, click on download If your download does not start, then you can click here. So we will wait for some seconds. Okay, click here. So we will save it on desktop and click yes. So it's downloaded. So once the file is downloaded, you have to open up. Click yes if you see user account control prompt. I accept the agreement. Next, next, and wait for it while it's being installed. So once this Microsoft package is installed, your this specific tunnel which we are talking about and this error will be resolved on your PC. You can give your valuable feedback in the comments. So it will take some time. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.